Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix generation error on OpenArt. So a generation error on that platform usually means the request didn't complete due to a model settings or connection issue, not that your prompt is bad. So actually guys, first you will need to refresh and retry first. So that's the quick fix. And to do that you will need just to go right here on that curved row and just click it, so that way you refresh your page and then just go and try generating again. So many errors are temporary server hiccups. And also guys, they really advise you as the second step to check your internet connection. So if you're on your phone using the OpenArt AI app, or you're using a laptop, you can just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data just from here, or run speedtest.byfast.com. So here where you can see how much your internet or how many megabytes per second you have. Okay, and also guys, they really advise you to avoid the weak or unstable networks as well. And as the third step, you will need to simplify your prompts. So the overlay complex prompts can break generation, so you will need just to go with something like cinematic, portrait of a man, soft lighting, realistic. So you can describe your video just with simple words. And also guys, they really advise to lower your image and video settings, so just reduce the resolution and lower video duration, and even disable heavy enhancements if enabled. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.